Guys, welcome back to another Supreme video. So today we have the summer sales, which are both available online and in store. So we actually 1 minute to the drop. I'm actually in the middle of setting up everything, but tell you what, let's just wait for that drop. I think there are it's out. It's actually a minute. Oh no, it's off again. All right. There's a slight glitch there. Literally, it's not even 11. It was sales just appeared on there. Yeah, so we're just going to browse through, what's available, what's left, and then we'll see what's going on, see if there's any good stuff. Is this a sale page? Yes, it is. Oh, is that it? Okay, so there's not much that's going on for sales. Solak, not even going to lie. Okay. $70. No. Oh, that vampire boy. It's we're not going for that. 58 for shorts, cargo shorts. I think they're okay. Not the best. Well, we have the Ego hoodie. Let's have a look. It's not a hoodie, it's a jacket. 106. Nope, not appealing. Nope. We have the check shirt. Let's see if there's anything else. I was hoping that they do a lot more accessories, like the backs and stuff. These are not very nice, are they? Yeah, I don't think I'm got my eye on anything at the moment. We have, is it the Bowen Street signs? 82. No, I'm gonna pass on these. I mean the hoodie. Well, the pink one sold out already. Yeah, nothing much is appealing. That X logo hoodie, £88. Oh, we have double XL on this. Okay. Cool. Not going for it though. Yeah. Nothing going on. Yeah, decks are not on sale. Nothing's good. I'm actually in London, but we didn't go in store yesterday. It's just that from last week, there's nothing. Nothing really appeals, and yeah. Bricks, all the bricks. Yeah, well, let's just go back on this. So they are dropping both, and then from what I see on the feet as well, they are releasing, if I'm not mistaken, literally just a post there saying that the fall winter will be releasing. Let's have a look. So yes, just coming back to the post. So fall winter 2021, the teaser will be out on the 9th of August, and then lookbook previews would be 16. Week 1 would be 19th. So today, so literally next month, it's week 1, but it could be just in store because online. Yeah, stay tuned for online updates. Online's usually a couple of days later than the in-store opens at the 19th. Yeah, so it'd be around like what day is it on the 19th? Let's have a look. So yeah, Thursday. So it'd be either be on the next day, or it could be Monday or Tuesday, and then following up would be another drop on Thursday. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hopefully there's some. Usually there are good items on week 1, so I'm really keen to see what they would bring. But yeah, again, for the sales, all bricks. Surprising that they actually £70 for the backpack. So yeah, we're passing on this. So yeah, so stay tuned for the winter drop on the 19th. Hopefully we do a teaser and a lookbook preview video as well when we're near the time. So yeah, Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Nothing much, and if you've copped anything, share with us on the comments, and then hopefully we'll see you in the next video.